Today we will discuss our workflow process in industry is BIM. BIM means Building Information Modeling. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe it and press the bell icon for more latest videos. Like and share also. Building Information Modeling is the foundation of digital transformation in the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. The concept of BIM has existed since the 1970s. The first software tools developed for modeling buildings emerged in the late 1970s and early 1980s and included workstation products such as Chuck Eastman's Building Description System and Glide, RuCaps, Sonata, Reflex, and Gable 4D series. BIM is a workflow process with the support of different softwares like Revit, Naviswork, Civil 3D, Overview, etc. BIM is used to improve the efficiency of the construction process, reduce waste during the construction, and to improve the quality and the efficiency of the buildings. BIM is used for creating and managing data during the design, construction, and operations process. Using BIM gives you greater visibility, better decision making, more sustainable options, and cost saving on architecture, engineering, and construction industry projects. Digital BIM models allow sharing, collaborating, and versioning that paper drawing sets don't. Many architecture, engineering, and construction firms are realizing that including estimators earlier in the planning stage allows for more effective construction cost estimation, which has led to the growth of model-based cost estimation. By using BIM, you can plan and visualize the entire project during pre-construction, before the shovel hits the ground. BIM allows you to better coordinate trades and subcontractors, detecting any MEP, internal or external clashes construction begins. One study found that 75% of companies that have adopted BIM reported positive returns and on their investments. BIM allows design and documentation to be done at the same time, and for documentation to be easily changed to adapt to new information, such as site conditions. BIM data can be used to instantly generate production drawings or database for manufacturing purpose, allowing for increased use of prefabrication and modular construction technology. BIM can help improve construction safety by pointing hazards before they become problems, and avoid physical risk by visualizing and planning site logistics ahead of time. The optimal ways to construct a project can be tested and chosen early in the project, and structural deficiencies can be identified before building. The information in a model also empowers operation of the building after construction is over. Projects utilizing BIM have a greater chance of success and maximize effectiveness for every stage of the project life cycle and beyond. It's our today's building information modeling topic. I hope you understand and like it. So keep watching.